guys and gals, today I want to teach you and your cubs how to
crochet.
What you will need today is a
Hook, yarn.
Try to use a big hook as well as a thick yarn. That tends to help with the little hands. You know how you use the jumbo crayons for little hands, but it's not necessary. If you only have small hooks, then that's all you have, but the bigger the better. I just grabbed the biggest ones I had available, and I also let them go to my scrap yarn and just pick out some yarn of their choice, and we went from there. I like to begin the lesson by creating a slip knot myself and creating a few chains for them just to get them started. When they get better at manipulating their little fingers, then I'll teach them the slip knot, which I'll do it like pretend like it's a little wand that they're working, and then I'll let them chain from there. But for now, I just want to give them a head start and then let them practice the chains themselves. Although I have lefties, I have decided to show them how to right-hand crochet. I think it will help them in the long run, especially since there's so many patterns made for right-handers, right?
Mm-hmm. The first thing you have to do is grip the hook with your right hand. Point the hook towards the sky. Grab some yarn and lay it over the hook. It's important that you have your chains a little loose, but not too loose, nosy. After you lay your yarn over the hook, you will let go of the yarn and pinch the last chain you made while keeping your left hand still. Pull and rotate your hook to pull your yarn through. You have just made a chain.
In the beginning, it will look like this, but with much practice, it will look like this.
Continue to practice. Put the yarn over, pinch it, and voila! Put the yarn over, pinch it, and voila! Huh?
You forgot to rotate.
Put the yarn over, pinch it, and rotate.
There you go.
Voila! Put the yarn over, pinch it, and rotate.
Oh, you have the yarn mixed up. Okay, now you go on this side. There you go.
Put the yarn over, pinch it, and rotate.
It's getting a little
Put the
too loose.
yarn over And
it's a little too loose.
oh.
There you go. Pull a little bit more. There you go.
Put the yarn over, pinch it, and rotate.
There you go.
Put the yarn over, pinch it, and rotate.
Wow, I'm so proud of you.
Practice, practice, practice. I'm showing them how to, undo the big part. So if they do it, they don't need to ask their mom. You want me to sew a dress for you? I do have this old bag. Practice till it's perfect. You step this aside. Put it over. Put this over the hook. If you can't hold it like this, then do this, and then turn it, and then do that. Voila. And then if it gets too big, just pull this part. You put it over the yarn over the hook, then grab it pinch it like this, and then pinch the thing in between two of your fingers. Let's see my hand. Do you want to see how I made it at practice? How long I made it at practice? This can be our earring. Gotta make it very long. Here's my ball of yarn. You just get let me just get a bit more yarn, so I can show you a bit more. Okay, let's make another hoop. Another one. Let's see. Black, Cleese. Say, si, bo, de, go, me. I was just being silly. I don't really talk like that. Just being silly. Silly. Okay, you use your right hand, and then use your left hand to get this, and then pinch that. You don't move this hand. Gotta slightly move the hook. It looks like I'm moving my hand, but guess what? I'm not. Ta-da! Let me see my chain. See, how does my earring look? No, it needs to be longer.
Hopefully this video was helpful.
Don't forget to practice.
Toodles!
Toodles. And the pointed thing. Put your hook inside the loop, and then put some yarn on, and then you hold your left hand straight, and then you put it over the pointy part. Make sure it's pointing up.
Easier for them.
Okay? This time it's both of us to talk.
This has been Mama Bear with a Daily Dash of Life. And as always, don't forget to spice up yours. May God bless you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, click my watermark and click any video icon for more videos or to start a playlist. Check out bonus footage at Instagram and Twitter at A Daily Dash of Life. Toodles!